Look at all this traffic. The cars go up and down, in and out, and round, all day long. Beep, beep goes the little red Jeep, and off he zooms. Vroom, vroom goes the sleek black sports car, and off he speeds. Toot, toot goes the big blue van, and off she trundles. Honk, honk goes the yellow city taxi, and off he rushes. Whoosh, whoosh goes the long pink limousine, and off she glides. Chugga, chugga goes the old green camper van, and off he rolls. Vroom, vroom goes the tiny purple car, and off she hurtles. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom, toot, toot, honk, honk, whoosh, whoosh, chugga, chugga, vroom, vroom. What a lot of noise. But wait, it's all quiet now. Where have all the cars gone? Here they all are, in the parking lot. Night, night, cars.